Well, I'm here today on my '06 GMC Sierra. It's a 1500 4x4, and it's a common problem. My leaf spring mount bracket, as you can see, has cracked. So I actually repaired the other side a couple of years ago. Over here, I welded that and it's still holding. And I didn't actually do that good a job. I just quickly tacked it when I saw it, and it's holding. So before I go through the process of changing this, I'm actually going to clean it up and I'm going to MIG it and build it up, because I think it breaks here from fatigue, obviously rusting and getting thinner. But this bolt is still going through itself and another bracket on the other side. And the outside, so it's not moving. It hasn't come loose and broken off. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to clean it up with the grinder wire brush and then try MIG it, and we'll see how it does again. So I've cleaned it up, and I jacked the trailer hitch up here just to try and line it up a little better, to take some of the flex out. So it's pretty close. I tapped it with a hammer, tried to get it in place. I'm going to see if I can just fill that. I don't think I need to put a plate. I think with the MIG I can build it and join it. So I'm going to give it a try here and we'll see what happens. Well, I'm all done, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. I built it up thick, so it's the thickest part of the bracket now. It may not look pretty, but I'm going to coat it with undercoating and everything and seal it all up. And I do believe it's going to outlast the rest of it. So the only tricky part is, as with anything you're welding, especially when it's thin, well, it's thinner because of the rust. I started at a lower voltage and wire speed and was just kind of bzzzt, bzzzt, bzzzt to build up the edge of the crack on both sides. And then I could get going with speed and join it and build it up and smooth it out a little. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think I think that's gonna last quite a few years. Anyway, if you have a similar problem and you've got a MIG welder, you might want to try this, because, like I say, the other side has been a couple of years and I didn't do nearly as nice a job as I did on this one. It was a real quick tack when I noticed it. Anyway, if you found that useful, please like and subscribe.